Okay, to summarize what we've done so far, we created a certificate for the SSL connection. This is the CSR we created in the beginning to get the SSL connection, and we created a new mobile provisioning for our application, and we have our private key, which we created earlier. So now we're gonna launch up Xcode. And we're gonna go and start a new project, which we're gonna name the same as our bundle identifier, push notification message. And we're gonna click on next, and we're gonna save it wherever you want to save it. And okay, we have our project. We're gonna go to the application delegate, and we're gonna replace some code here, and we're gonna change the application did finish launch with options plus add 2 new methods. So I'm gonna review our code. Oh, sorry about that. Some problems with the copy paste. Okay. So let's review our code. Sorry. Jump in here. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so we have our application did finish launch with options, and it's basically the same, only we added registration to push notification. And to do that, we get our UI application singleton instance, and we call register for remote notification types, and we specify the types of notification we want to register. So we're gonna want a badge and a sound and an alert. So choose whatever you want from those 3. And also we implemented 2 new methods. One is called did register for remote notification with device token, which basically what it does, it's launched after the registration process for the Apple push notification service. So basically, after the registration, this method is launched, and because we have a new token, so I'm gonna print this token to the log. Also, you can notice that if you launch it from the simulator, the application did register for remote notification will not be activated because a different application method will be revoked, and it's the did fail register for remote notification with error, because this means that we didn't manage to sign up for the Apple push notification server, so we get an error. And this basically is our code in the program. It's a very simple application which only registered for our push notification service. So I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna choose the choose the target and choose the project, and go to build settings. And before I'll do that, go to Windows Organizer. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go to our Finder, to our folder, and I'm gonna drag our mobile provision file to our Xcode and drop it here, and it will sign me up for to be able to run this on my actual device. And after that, I can close this window, and I'm gonna go to the target and our project properties, and I'll click the project and click the build settings, and I'm gonna go to the code signing identity, and I'm gonna replace it with my code signing, my certificate. So after that, I'm gonna make sure in the targets, I'm gonna make sure that my names are correct and match the bundle identifier. So you can go here and change the name to push notification message, just to be sure. And here also, go here and switch this. Sorry. Push notification message. And that's pretty much all the settings we need in our project. So basically we can now build and go, just to make sure that it actually runs on our iPhone. And if we did everything correctly, so the application should launch and also ask user permission to activate a push notification. So you see the application launches, and it should ask us for permission for push notification, and indeed it asks me. You can't see it, but it actually asked me, and I'm gonna push OK. If the user doesn't allow it, so push notification won't get to the iPhone. You can change it from the settings, or if you want, and that's pretty much the Xcode part of our tutorial.